Dear students, orbitals can be represented quite accurately with the help of boundary surface diagrams. In this video, let us understand the shape of s orbital. If azimuthal quantum number L equals to 0, then it suggests presence of s orbital. Also, if L equals to 0, then it means magnetic quantum number ML equals to 0. Because ML can have value between plus L up to 0 up to minus L. This suggests that S subshell consists of only one orbital. If we plot the graph of square of probability density as a function of distance r, that is psi square of r for 1s orbital, then it is observed that the probability density function is maximum at the nucleus and decrease sharply with increase in distance. This means that value of psi square of r depends on distance but independent of direction, and hence the s orbital must be spherically symmetrical about the nucleus. Therefore, it follows that the shape of s orbital must be spherical. Similarly, for 2s orbital, the probability density first decreases sharply to 0, then increases to some maximum value and again decreases. This means that the shape of 2s orbital is spherical and it is bigger than 1s orbital. Dear students, with increase in value of principal quantum number n, that is, size of s orbitals increases. Therefore, size of s orbitals increases in the order 1s is smaller than 2s, which is smaller than 3s, which is smaller than up to ns. And distance of these orbitals from nucleus also increases. Radial nodes. The spherical surface within an orbital where the probability density is 0 is called spherical node or radial node. The number of spherical or radial nodes can be found by formula n minus L minus 1. For example, for 1s orbital, n equal to 1 and L equals to 0. Therefore, it has no spherical node. For 2s orbital, n equals to 2 and L equals to 0. Therefore, it has one spherical node. Nodal planes. A plane passing through the nucleus on which the probability of finding electron is 0 is called a nodal plane. The number of nodal planes in any orbital is equal to azimuthal quantum number L. Therefore, for s orbital, L equals to 0. So it does not have nodal plane. So this is all about shape of s orbitals. In next video, we will learn the shape of p orbitals.